everybody, get ready to be amazed, because today we're talking about the blue whale, the biggest animal on the entire planet. These magnificent creatures are not just big, they are colossal, awe-inspiring, and truly a wonder of the natural world. Imagine the largest animal you can think of, and then double it. That's the blue whale for you. They are the giants of the ocean, and their sheer size is enough to leave anyone speechless. That's right, bigger than elephants, bigger than dinosaurs, and even bigger than the largest creatures that roamed the earth millions of years ago. When you think of the blue whale, think of an animal that dwarfs everything else in the animal kingdom. Their heart alone is the size of a small car, and their tongue can weigh as much as an elephant. It's almost impossible to wrap your head around their immense size, even bigger than that giant bag of chips you can get at the ballpark. Imagine trying to fit a blue whale into a small stadium. It would be like trying to fit a skyscraper into your backyard. These creatures are so large that they can be seen from space when they swim near the surface of the ocean. Their size is not just a fun fact, it's a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. These incredible creatures are absolutely massive, sometimes reaching over 100 feet long. To put that into perspective, that's longer than a basketball court. Their length is just one aspect of their grandeur. They can weigh as much as 200 tons, which is equivalent to about 33 elephants. Their sheer mass is a marvel of nature, and it makes you wonder how such a gigantic creature can move so gracefully through the water. That's like 3 school buses parked end to end. Imagine seeing something that long, gliding effortlessly through the ocean. It's a sight that would leave anyone in awe. The blue whale's size is not just for show, it plays a crucial role in their survival. Their large size allows them to travel great distances in search of food and to avoid predators. It's a perfect example of how nature designs creatures to thrive in their environments. Can you imagine seeing that in the ocean? It would be a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Seeing a blue whale in its natural habitat is like witnessing a living legend. It's a reminder of the incredible beauty and mystery that our oceans hold. These gentle giants are a symbol of the ocean's majesty and the wonders that lie beneath the waves. It would be like looking at a living, breathing submarine. Their size and presence are so commanding that they can make even the largest human-made objects look tiny in comparison. Blue whales are not just big, they are also incredibly powerful. They can swim at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, and their tail flukes can propel them through the water with incredible force. It's like watching a natural marvel in action. And the best part? They're not scary at all. Despite their enormous size, blue whales are gentle giants. They feed primarily on tiny shrimp-like animals called krill, and they pose no threat to humans. In fact, they are known for their peaceful and curious nature. They often approach boats out of curiosity, giving people a chance to witness their magnificence up close. It's a humbling experience that reminds us of the importance of protecting these incredible creatures. Blue whales are gentle giants who play a super important role in keeping our oceans healthy. They help regulate the marine ecosystem by controlling the population of krill and other small organisms. Their presence is a sign of a healthy ocean, and their conservation is crucial for maintaining the balance of marine life. By protecting blue whales, we are also protecting the health of our oceans and the countless species that depend on them. Let's dive in and learn more about these amazing creatures. There's so much more to discover about blue whales, from their unique vocalizations to their migratory patterns. They are a testament to the wonders of the natural world, and by learning more about them, we can better appreciate the beauty and complexity of our planet's oceans. So, stay tuned as we explore the fascinating world of the blue whale. Now you might be thinking, something that big must have a huge appetite, and you'd be absolutely right. Blue whales are filter feeders, which means they eat tiny creatures called krill. Krill are like little shrimp, and they're super important for the ocean's food web. To eat, blue whales gulp enormous amounts of water, filtering out the krill with special plates in their mouths called baleen. It's like having a giant strainer built right in. And get this, a blue whale's heart is the size of a small car. That's one powerful pump to keep all that blood flowing through its massive body. Blue whales are incredible divers. They can hold their breath for up to an hour and dive thousands of feet deep in search of krill. That's like holding your breath while you ride an elevator down a skyscraper. But they don't just stay in one place. Blue whales are migratory animals, which means they travel long distances across the ocean every year. They follow their food sources, swimming from colder waters where they feed to warmer waters where they give birth and raise their young. It's like a big underwater road trip. Have you ever heard a whale sing? It's one of the most beautiful and mysterious sounds in the world, and blue whales are known for having some of the loudest songs of all. They use a variety of clicks, whistles, and moans to communicate with each other over long distances. Scientists believe they use these songs to find mates, defend their territory, and even navigate through the vast ocean. It's like their own underwater language, and it's absolutely fascinating. Section 5. Blue whale babies, growing up fast in the big blue. Did you know that a baby blue whale called a calf is already about 25 feet long at birth? That's bigger than most cars, and they grow incredibly fast, gaining around 200 pounds every single day. Imagine if you could eat that much pizza. Baby blue whales stay close to their mothers for about a year, drinking up to 100 gallons of milk every day. Talk about a hungry baby. Section 6. A life aquatic blue whale. Lifespan and appearance. Blue whales can live for a really long time, up to 80 or 90 years. That's like having 8 or 9 decades to swim the ocean, eat delicious krill, and sing whale songs with your friends. And have you ever noticed how blue whales aren't actually blue? They look more gray or bluish-gray depending on the light. But when they're underwater, the sunlight filtering through the water makes them appear a beautiful, shimmering blue. It's like magic! Section 7. Speed and Serenity. How blue whales navigate their world. Even though they're the biggest animals on Earth, blue whales are surprisingly graceful swimmers. Their massive bodies, which can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 200 tons, move with an elegance that belies their size. This gracefulness is a result of millions of years of evolution, fine-tuning their bodies to be the perfect ocean navigators. They can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, which is faster than most people can run. This speed is particularly impressive when you consider the sheer size and weight of these marine giants. When they need to, blue whales can accelerate quickly, whether to escape potential threats or to catch up with a school of krill, their primary food source. But most of the time, they cruise along at a more leisurely pace, conserving their energy for diving and feeding. This slower pace allows them to cover vast distances as they migrate between feeding and breeding grounds. Blue whales are known to travel thousands of miles each year, from the cold, nutrient-rich waters of the polar regions to the warmer, more temperate waters where they give birth to their calves. It's like taking a relaxing swim in the world's biggest pool. This serene movement is not just for show. It plays a crucial role in their survival. By moving slowly and steadily, blue whales can maintain their massive energy reserves, which are essential for their long migrations and deep dives. These dives can take them down to depths of over 1,000 feet, where they hunt for krill and other small marine creatures. And here's a fun fact. Blue whales have a tiny dorsal fin, which is the fin on their back. This fin is surprisingly small compared to the rest of their body, often only a foot tall. Despite its size, the dorsal fin is an important feature that helps the whale maintain stability as it swims through the ocean. It's much smaller than you'd expect for an animal their size, and it helps them stay balanced as they glide through the water. This balance is crucial, especially when they make sharp turns or sudden movements. The small dorsal fin, along with their powerful tail flukes, allows blue whales to navigate their vast underwater world with precision and grace. So, the next time you think of blue whales, remember that these gentle giants are not just the largest animals on Earth, but also some of the most skillful and efficient swimmers in the ocean. Section 8. A World in Peril. The threats facing blue whales. Sadly, these gentle giants face some serious threats. In the past, humans hunted blue whales for their blubber, meat, and oil, almost driving them to extinction. Today, they're protected by international laws, but they still face dangers like ship strikes, entanglement in fishing gear, and habitat loss due to pollution and climate change. It's like trying to navigate a busy highway blindfolded, and it's up to us to make their journey safer. Section 9. Guardians of the Deep Blue Whales and Our Blue Planet. Blue whales aren't just amazing creatures, they're also vital to the health of our oceans. These gentle giants, the largest animals to have ever existed on Earth, can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 200 tons. Despite their enormous size, they feed primarily on tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. Imagine that, such a massive creature sustained by some of the smallest organisms in the ocean. This fascinating relationship is a testament to the intricate balance of marine ecosystems. By eating krill, they help control populations of these tiny creatures, which is important for the entire food web. Without blue whales, krill populations could explode, leading to imbalances that affect many other marine species. This delicate balance is crucial for maintaining the health of our oceans. Blue whales consume up to 4 tons of krill each day during feeding season, showcasing their role as keystone species in marine environments. Their feeding habits ensure that the population of krill remains in check, which in turn supports a diverse array of marine life. And get this, their poop is actually really important too. It's full of nutrients that help fertilize the ocean, promoting the growth of phytoplankton, the tiny plants that form the base of the marine food chain. This process is known as the whale pump, where whales bring nutrients from the deep ocean to the surface through their feces. These nutrients, including iron and nitrogen, are essential for the growth of phytoplankton, which in turn supports the entire marine food web. Marine biologists have discovered that areas frequented by blue whales are often hotspots of marine productivity, the tiny plants that form the base of the marine food chain. Plus, blue whales play a role in capturing carbon from the atmosphere, which helps combat climate change. Phytoplankton not only serve as the primary food source for many marine organisms, but also play a critical role in the global carbon cycle. Through photosynthesis, they absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen. When blue whales feed on krill and then release nutrient-rich feces, they stimulate the growth of phytoplankton, enhancing this natural carbon capture process, which helps combat climate change. They're like giant swimming superheroes. By supporting the growth of phytoplankton, blue whales indirectly contribute to the reduction of atmospheric carbon dioxide levels. This makes them crucial allies in our fight against global warming. Their presence in the ocean is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth and the importance of preserving these magnificent creatures. Protecting blue whales and their habitats is not just about saving a species, it's about maintaining the health of our entire planet. So next time you think of blue whales, remember their incredible role in keeping our oceans and our planet thriving. Section 10. Our turn to protect. Ensuring the future of blue whales. Blue whales are an awe-inspiring reminder of the incredible diversity and wonder of our planet. It's up to all of us to protect them and ensure they continue to grace our oceans for generations to come. We can all do our part by supporting sustainable seafood choices, reducing our carbon footprint, and spreading awareness about the importance of ocean conservation. Remember, we're all connected to the ocean, and protecting blue whales means protecting our planet. Together, we can make a difference.